just on a dog walk. It's Saturday, the 8th of January 2022. It's my 48th birthday, and the sun's setting over there. Going for a little dog walk, filming on the Insta 360 go to, and Flo's raring to go. Come on, you. Come on, sniffing. What are you sniffing? See, she doesn't always pull. Sometimes she likes to stop sniffing. Come on, sniffer dog. It's really wet and muddy underfoot today. Beauty about this little camera, I can pull it out, start filming in its case, and carry on walking. There's a church. Oh, don't sniff that. No way every time that's it all. Oh. Get a breather. Right. Great sky over there. Right, catch up in a bit. She's keen to go. Good girl. Muddy air, slipper. These new boots handle it well. Well, they're not new. About a month and a half old now. Come on, we're not going down there. All the crows. Right, just a short video for my birthday walk. Just probably for Facebook and my website. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.